Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to work with hdri. First you need to go to the website like this website where I'm looking now which one is in hdri. You click up XR, there's an hdri file. Then you go to your Blender file, dan you see your word. Ga je toe naar shading, dan in plaats van object een word. Je ziet nu je background van je HDR. Klik op rechtermuisklik en mesh en dan environment texture. Je sleept de color to the color van de background. En dan je select de HDR ERE file from je bestand. Je drukt op openen. You press the button open and now you have HDR in Blender. Now you can do another thing is you can make it scale and rotate and all that sort of things. What can you do for that? Very easy. You go to Ctrl T if you have the settings on, or you add a node. Nee, wacht. Babel, you don't need it. Druk gewoon Ctrl T of you add mapping and text coordination. And now you can see, now can I make my mapping smaller, bigger, and lots of other things. You can also do a nice thing with it if you add HDR to your object. Then you can make it, how do I say it, make it echt realisme with the shadows. So, so you, so do you, so how do you, so that is how you make, so how do this, how this, how you work with HDR and Blender. Thanks for watching, subscribe, goodbye.